I do not want to even begin.
Karibi ni akorwo akionania kieha giake mieri ithiagite after her son gukorwo akihuruka na njira ya accident na bathi iria makuite makiuma kuria cukuru. Karibi son Duro was the only student who passed during that accident ya bathi ya kuite ciana kuma kuria Chavakali Boys ginyagia kumaingiria guku Nairobi. Karibi son Duro being the only student who passed on, na Karibi akoro akiaria miario egi what has been going on oro wigi investigations cia gikuo gia son wake, what happened after accident ino kuhanika na niki giakorirwo gigicungiriria accident ino kuhanika. Kuna thirikari ni akorirwo ikiruta promises after that story went viral. Karibi akorwo akiaria kugerera nenda ciake cia ukinyaniria oriri athiete na mbere na kumona her dearest son who passed on na njira ya mutigire akiri very heartbroken. Kuna investigation ni cionekana ta cia gikorwo igikwama na promises igikorwo ikirutwo ni thirikari. Karibi akiuga the driver was drunk riria kuite ciana icio kuma kuria Chavakali Boys na gucingeria guku Nairobi, na akiuga ati ni ma ndereba ucio was over speeding kiri gitumi kiria Karibi arauga giacungiririe bathi iyo gukorwo igicemania na mutino. Kuona Karibi arauga undu ucio ni urakorirwo ugicokera inwe ri ndumiriri iria andika akiuga was the driver tipsy, akauga yes. Was he over speeding? Akauga yes. 6 months ago a negligent driver caused a fatal accident. Akora akiuga 17 doves for my prince, #long live Dulo, #Dulo Foundation. Kuona Dulo akorirwo akihuruka ari tu na miaka 17 na aragirire gukorwo agiikarira kigerio gia form 4 giki kiagirire gukorwo gigikwo mwaka uyu. Posting this photo of her son and receiving countless hugs kuma fellow parents aria maraki understand what she is indeed going through, agitumukania ndeto egie investigation kana hihi ni ciakorirwo